Hello everybody, good morning, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about articles. Okay, actually first of all try to know what is article. Basically an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns, and in English there are two articles in English language. Okay, there are two articles in English language. First one is a and the next one is the. A and the. This is known as definite article. The is known as definite article, and a and is known as indefinite article. Indefinite article. A and is known as indefinite article. Now, the is used for a particular specific noun. Understand? The is used for a particular specific noun, whereas a and is used before a singular countable noun. Okay? A and is used before a singular countable noun, not a plural. A and means one. A and is used only before a singular countable noun. Next is, let us know about the use of a now. A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. Okay? Actually, a is used before the words beginning with a consonant sound. Okay? For example, a book, a cat, a dog, a teacher, a flower. Did you observe here? All these words are started with consonants. Book, cat, doctor, teacher, flower. The word which starts with consonant. A is used before a word which starts with consonant. Sound. Don't focus on the letter, focus on the sound. Okay? Next A is used before a certain vowels. Certain vowels which give consonant sound. I hope all of you know what are vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. Okay? All these are the vowels. Except these, others are consonant. So here, actually the word which is started with vowel, but they give consonant sound. Okay? That means a certain vowels, the word which starts with a certain vowel which gives consonant sound. For example, a European, a union, a university, E and U. Here when we pronounce it, the pronunciation is European, union. That means the pronunciation is Y. U sound. Okay? That's why it is not an European. It is wrong. It is not an union. It is wrong. It is a union. And the same way you see here, a 1 rupee, a 1-year-old girl. One, wow. Though this word is beginning with a vowel, the sound is consonant. Va means W sound. For example, was, Y, like that way. So that's why it is not an, it is a 1 rupee, a 1-year-old girl, or a 1-eyed man, like that way. Now next is a. It is used to indicate one. A shows that indicates the thing is one, the noun is one. For example, he bought a pen. A pen means only one pen, not more than one. He bought a pen means only one pen, not more than one pen. They constructed a house. They constructed a house. A house means only one house. They are talking about only one house. And next is A. A is used to represent a class. A is also used to represent a class, the whole class. For example, if we are talking about a dog here, you see, a dog is a faithful animal. A dog is a faithful animal means not one dog. We are talking about all the dogs. Okay? We are talking about that class. For example, a cow is a sacred animal in India, like that. That means not one cow, all the cows. Then A is used in exclamatory sentence. For example, what a beautiful scene. What a beautiful scene. What an idea. See, they are A and an also used in exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now let us come to an, the use of an. Here, as I told you that an is used before all the vowel sounds, not vowel letters. You focus on the vowel sound. An is used before words beginning with a vowel sound. Okay. For example, an ant, an apple, an elephant, an umbrella. Did you observe here? Umbrella, umbrella. Though it is U means consonant letter, but the sound is umbrella, a. So all vowels sound took an. Okay, all vowel sounds took an. We use an before a vowel sound. Okay. Now next an. An is used in certain words where H is silent. Where H is silent. For example, you see here an, H-O-U-R, it is not hour. H is silent here. Hour. Okay? Hour. Next, and it is not honest. 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 Oh, honest. H is silent here. H is silent here. Okay? Honest and honorable man. This is not honorable. Honorable. Okay? Honorable man. Understand? Now, next we are going to learn about the definite article. Understand? Now the definite article is the. Let us know how the is used. Use of definite article the. It is used with the unique objects. Unique objects means one in the world. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the world, the sky, the Eiffel Tower, the Taj Mahal, because they are only one, isn't it? That's why we use the with unique objects. The sun, the moon, the earth, the world, or the Eiffel Tower, like that, for example. Next the is used before the names of mountain ranges, rivers, oceans, seas, and names of the countries which are phrased. For example, names of mountains. For example, Himalaya mountain, again the Mount Everest, like that way. And next is, it is used before the rivers, the Godavari, the Krishna, the Tungabhadra, etc. Next is oceans, the Indian Ocean, again the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, like that way. Okay. And next is seas, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Mediterranean Sea, and all, isn't it? And next is, it is also used in front of the names of the countries which are phrases. For example, the USA, USSR, UK, etc. Okay? USA, USSR, UK, etc. And next is the. Next the is used before the names of the holy books. For example, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Guru Granth. These all are the holy books, isn't it? We use the before the holy books. The Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Guru Granth, etc. And also the is used to show a particular noun, means particular person or particular thing. For example, I met the doctor. Here not a doctor. I met the doctor who treated me last year. Here we are talking about a particular doctor. About a particular doctor who has treated me last year. So that's why not general doctor. I met the doctor who treated me last year. About that particular person I am talking here. So the is used with a particular noun. And also the is used before musical instruments. For example, he plays the piano very well. The piano. Okay. Before musical instruments we use the. She is learning the guitar. Not not a guitar or she is learning guitar, not like that way. She is learning the guitar. He plays the piano very well, like that way. Okay. Now next the. The is used before the names of newspapers and before the names of trains. You all of you know, when you read the newspaper, say for example the Hindu newspaper, isn't it? Name of the newspapers, the Hindu, the Deccan Chronicle, etc. And names of trains. It is also used before the names of the trains. The Howrah Express. I think you all of you know the names of the train. The Howrah Express, the Krishna Express, the Godavari Express. These all are the names of the trains. Next the. The is also used with superlatives. For example, Rajini is the tallest girl in the class. With superlatives we use the. Okay, the tallest. Okay, Rajini is the tallest girl in the class, and Seema is the most beautiful. See here why tallest and here why most. And here are the we shall learn in the later chapter. Seema is the most beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. Seema is the most beautiful girl in the family. This is the most interesting chapter. The most interesting, more interesting, and the most interesting. Understand? This is the most interesting chapter, or this is the most interesting book I have ever read, like that. Okay? And this is the use of the articles a, an, and the. And next, let me teach next omission of the articles in the next unit, in the next class. And until you please stay safe. So then you go on learning, practice. Okay. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and please share it.